Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Tripping with Shanks. I'm currently in Bangalore and the weather is beautiful, not anywhere like the cold of Delhi. Take it from me, I'm able to unbutton my jackets. And we went on a trip to Sakleshpur with the Free Souls gang. An amazing trip. And guess what I was riding on this time? It was on this beautiful vintage sidecar Yezdi Model B. Awesome motorcycle, and believe you me again, I was so scared that this vehicle was not going to be able to touch more than 40 kilometers per hour all the way to Sakleshpur. But the rider Suraj rode this motorcycle at 80 kilometers per hour. I really wanted to ask Suraj what actually inspired him to get this sidecar machine, and he also owns this beautiful example of a Jawa 353 which has the snow guards fitted on it. So let's get both Suraj and Tejas on board and let's see what they have to say about their motorcycles. So guys, Suraj is on the Model B and this is Tejas. Both of them have jointly basically put this motorcycle together. Suraj is afflicted with a throat infection, so he's unable to speak, so most of the speaking is going to be done by Tejas. But having said that, both of you guys, tell me man, what was it that actually inspired you guys to get a sidecar?
We basically we didn't have any concept of making sidecar, but as our ride was coming nearby, so what we thought, we'll make a sidecar, something different to the ride. So
Okay.
most of them will get rocking Java and also we both wanted to get some different thing to be
Something that
different.
yes, something that's very, very different from whatever everyone else is bringing in.
Yes. So
But
this we started around one and a half month to 2 months back, and started working. We were behind the tinkers and all, and finally this is the thing what happened.
has actually got shock absorbers even in the sidecar. Did the original sidecars ever have shock absorbers?
Uh, this frame had a shock absorber, but not this type one. I got the original Java 353 shock absorber and got altered to it and made fitted. Even you can see the mudguard. Even this is of Java mudguard. We altered a little so that everything comes with Java and SD stuff to it. So nothing like mix and match of any other bikes.
I also noticed that along with the mudguard, your wheels, everything are basically the same. Just the
Yes.
and Java interchangeable hubs, for example,
Yes,
which
completely.
helps actually when you've got your stepney at the back.
Yes,
Because the stepney can be used in either of the two wheels over there or it can be used in the sidecar, right?
Yeah.
Very interesting.
The thing, Stepney, everything was of Java. Even this is Baram tyre, which was imported from it only, what we have put on it. And completely everything, the bike and the sidecar, both are in matching patina look and all. We tried what we can do our best.
One question. Riding a sidecar is not easy. It is extremely difficult because it pulls to one side in a big way. And you need speed. What have you done in the engine to actually give you that extra dum to make it move faster?
We have not done any coating, we have not put any CDI, nothing we have done. This is in stock condition. Nothing we have done to additional things,
No bigger car,
nothing.
no extra sprocketing,
Nothing.
no nothing.
Nothing, no porting, no CDI, no convert, nothing. Just the regular model T.
But the vehicle is flying on the highway at about 80 kilometers per hour. How? With all that weight, it was carrying me, it was carrying Suraj.
That is the power of SD and Java.
Damn good, yeah. Large thing. I mean, is this the first restoration that you actually undertook for yezdi or Java, or was there any other motorcycles previous to this?
No. We have done many bikes. We have done Java 353, 350s and all.
Mm-hmm.
But sidecar, this is the first thing we did.
I also noticed you have another beautiful example of this motorcycle over here.
Yeah, that is.
Let's take a look at that also. Tejas, I've seen many 353s, and I have been always enamored by this brand as such. But the kind of work that has been done on this motorcycle is really amazing. First and foremost, if I'm not mistaken, this is a 74 model.
Yeah, exactly. 74 models.
74 model, the only time when the dimple tank came out, right?
Yeah.
The tank
Only
pad,
the one
the tank
dimple.
pad Javas. And can you take me through what exactly you have done on this motorcycle? What is it? I mean, I've never seen these leg guards, what do you call these kind of wheel guards before.
Yes.
And of course,
Snow guard.
the snow guard.
Snow guard is there. And even the throttle assembly, the throttle grips, everything, the carrier.
These are all original?
Original.
Wow.
Carrier is original. Even you can see this number plate. This is also original of what used to come for Parak and all.
Oh, okay.
And it has got MPH meter,
Hmm.
miles meter.
Hey, Tejas, when you ride this motorcycle, what kind of mileage do you get out of it?
I never check for the mileage. I don't check mileage in this Javas or SD. Just keep on riding, fill the petrol. That's it.
I see the gold lining is so beautifully done. It's nice red lining over here on the tanks.
Yeah.
By the way, Tejas, do you know the history of where the snow guard was actually used?
Yeah, these are basically used in Eastern Europe. So to avoid the snows and like school breeze and all, it is coming through the rider. So it's basically used to avoid the breeze.
So basically, if I understand you right, this snow guard collects the heat from the engine and keeps the rider warm.
Yeah.
Right? And also prevents the cold air which are from the forward blast.
Yes, exactly.
Ah, very interesting. And by the way, this guitar seat that I see is a standard in all Javas?
Yes, almost
Even
all.
in 1974?
Almost, yeah.
Very nice.
From SD only this seat got changed. Till that, it was like this type only.
Very nice. I really like it. I really love the entire detailing on the motorcycle.
It took almost 2 years to do the complete thing.
So what's the next project you're going to be working on?
We are making one Type 360 twin round board.
Okay.
It's under process. It will take another 1 month. It will be done.
Nice. I should do a video on that as well.
Yeah,
with you guys.
Soon.
So guys, today we were talking to both Tejas and Suraj, and we were discussing the various aspects of the Snow Guard modified 353 and of course the Model B yezdi. This motorcycle I can personally vouch for. It took me all the way to Sakleshpur and I was amazed by its entire performance over there. By the way, the consumption is very, very good. It has consumed less than 25 liters for approximately 550 kilometers of travel, which is awesome mileage. So if you like this kind of stuff that I talk about on vintage motorcycles, I would advise you to press the like, share and subscribe buttons. Write into me whenever you want. I am available at Shankar at Happiness per km. If you have any questions on Jawa, Yezdi or any other vintage brands, write into me and I will try and see if I can get a video made on them. And till then, adios. Keep tripping, guys.